ChatGPT or DeepSeek? In this video, I'm diving deep into research to help you decide which AI tool is the best for coding in Arduino Nano. Don't skip this video. It took a lot of time, effort, and hands-on comparison to bring you the best insights. Plus, I've even implemented the hardware circuitry to test them out. Here I asked DeepSeek and ChatGPT the same question. I need a simple LED blinking code for pin D2 of an Arduino Nano. Write the simplest code with comments that are easy to understand. Let's see which AI delivers the clearest, most beginner-friendly code. So, a humble request. Watch till the end and make an informed choice. All right, let's upload this code to the Arduino IDE and see it in action. Both ChatGPT and DeepSeek have done a great job writing this simple code, but what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Oh, and just a quick note, I've used DeepSeek R1 and ChatGPT-4o instead of ChatGPT-4o for this comparison. If you're a beginner, make sure to follow every step carefully. And if the video feels too fast, don't worry, you can slow it down in the settings. For the hardware setup, I connected the positive pin to D2 and the negative pin to the GND pin. Now, let's see how well these AI-generated codes perform. Let's copy the code one by one and run it on the hardware to see the results. Just take a good look at the DeepSeek code and its results. And please, don't skip, because up next, I'm going to write a slightly more complex code using both AI tools. Let's see who fails first. Wow, it's working exactly as expected. Now, it's ChatGPT's turn. Take a look at its code too. I feel like both AI tools have written the code in different ways. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. Wow! It's working exactly as expected. And guess what? The LED's blinking speed is slower in this code. That's awesome. Looks like the AI handled it really well. Now, let's step it up a bit and move to a slightly more complex code. I asked DeepSeek, I want the LED to slowly glow fade in and then dim fade out in reverse order. Let's see how it handles this challenge. Please don't skip the video. You're about to learn something amazing. Something better than anything you've ever seen on YouTube. Stay tuned. I love DeepSeek's analytical approach. Wait, D2 is a digital pin, not a PWM pin on the Arduino Nano, so using analog write on D2 won't work. It's asking me to switch to D3 because it's a PWM-capable pin. Smart move. Stay tuned. Sometimes the boring stuff leads to the best results. Now, let's copy the code and run it on the hardware. Let's see how it performs. Let me switch the pin from D2 to D3, since D3 supports PWM. Woohoo! The LED is gradually dimming and then brightening back up. This code is working perfectly. All right, now let's see if ChatGPT can pull this off too. Will it handle the smooth dimming and brightening just like DeepSeek? Let's find out. Wait, what? ChatGPT used D2, which is wrong for PWM. But hold on. I just realized I specifically told it I wanted to use D2. And look at this. It even added a note at the bottom. D2 does not support PWM on Arduino Nano. Change the pin to D3, D5, D6, D9, D10, or D11 for proper fading. And this part blew my mind. If you must use D2, connect a capacitor, 100 mFs, in parallel, or use a transistor-based circuit to control brightness indirectly. Now, that's interesting. I definitely want to try this method. Stay tuned, and don't forget to smash that like button. After uploading the code, I connected my LED back to D2 as planned. Now, following the suggestion, I added a 100 microfarad capacitor in parallel with the LED. Guess what happened? New. This wasn't expected. It should have worked. No worries. Switching back to D3, uploading the code again, and boom. It's working. So tell me, how did you like this experiment? Did you like and subscribe yet? I'd love to know which AI tool you would choose for your coding projects. Will it be DeepSeek or ChatGPT? Or do you have another favorite? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And tell me, what do you want to see in the next video? Let's make it even more epic.